Hi everyone, here are your directions for today's flexible instruction assignment for the snow day, Thursday, February 18th, 2021. For today, we're going to continue working on 2.2 Assignment 6 Classifying Matter Application. This is the assignment that we started working on yesterday, and we're going to continue working on this. And like I said yesterday, the purpose of this assignment is to replicate a lab and to apply what we've been learning throughout our classifying matter module and relate it to real life. So what I would recommend that you do is open up your classifying matter graphic organizer that you had completed earlier in the module, and also open up your classifying matter note sheet. Have those things open, this way you can use them as a resource. And it also won't hurt to have on another tab open the periodic table. This way you could do a quick check to determine whether or not something's an element. So you're going to open up the classifying matter application assignment, which is 2.2 assignment 6. And remember, this is an assignment that's resumable. So if you started it yesterday or the day before, you can jump back into this. When you open up the assignment, okay, you'll go through and you'll start answering the questions or pick up where you left off. Remember that questions 1, 2, 3, and 4 are similar to pre-lab questions. So these are just review questions. Use your graphic organizer, use your note sheet. The whole purpose of this is just to refresh you on the characteristics for each of these types of matter. All right, and then you're going to move on to each of the example pictures. Okay, so this is the example that we did yesterday. How would you classify aluminum foil? And it's asking, is it a pure substance or a mixture? Aluminum foil is a pure substance. It's not two different things mixed together. Then, if you classify the aluminum foil as a mixture, what kind of mixture is it? Heterogeneous or homogeneous? Well, we know it's not a mixture, so we can disregard this part of the question. If you classify the aluminum foil as a pure substance, what kind is it? Element or compound? Well, aluminum foil is made of aluminum, and if I look at the periodic table of elements, I see that it is an element, and it's element number 13. So I'm going to select element. And then the last part relating to the aluminum foil example is to please explain your answers based on your observations. What that means is, how do you know what it is? Why did you say that it's an element? Or why did you say that it's a compound? And so for this one, we said it's an element, and aluminum is classified as an element because it is found on the periodic table. Okay, so its atomic number is 13. And that's a great answer. That's very supportive. Aluminum is classified as an element because it's found on the periodic table. Its atomic number is 13. There's my evidence. That's how I know. For the second part, if you determine that the substance is a mixture, how would you separate it? Well, it's not a mixture. It's a pure substance, and it's an element. So we don't have to do the second part of the question. As you move through, for some of these, you will have to answer that second part, and you can look things up too. And you can use your graphic organizer, like I said. You can use your notes, and you can also look things up as well. And you can reach out to myself or Mr. Graham if you have any questions. All right, we are here to help you. So continue working on that tomorrow. And don't forget that it is resumable and that you have multiple attempts on it. All right, that's it. Like I said, reach out if you have questions, and have a great day.